Welcome to Extend Office. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a drop cap in Microsoft Word on both Windows and Mac, as well as in Google Docs. A drop cap is a stylistic feature, used at the start of a paragraph to grab the reader's attention and improve the aesthetic of a document. It consists of a large capital letter that spans several lines of text, adding a decorative flair. There are two types of drop cap in Word. One is dropped, makes the letter drop into the paragraph, aligning with the text. The other is in margin, which places the letter in the margin, outside the normal text area. Part 1. Create a drop cap in Word on Windows. Click on the beginning of the paragraph where you want to add a drop cap. Then, click Insert. Drop cap. Select the drop cap option you need. If you want to customize the appearance of your drop cap beyond the default settings, click to select the drop cap letter. Then, navigate to Drop Cap options. In the Drop Cap dialog box, change the font. Modify the size of drop cap. Set the spacing between the drop cap and the adjacent text. Now, the drop cap letter has been formatted to your need. To further enhance your drop cap with additional styling, such as changing the font color or adding shadows, first select the drop cap. Then, explore various formatting options under Home tab of the font group. The drop cap letter will be formatted to your need. If you want to remove the drop cap, click to select the large drop cap letter. Then click Insert. Drop cap. None. The drop cap will be removed at once. Part 2. Create a drop cap in Word on Mac. Click on the beginning of the paragraph where you want to add a drop cap. Go to View tab. Click Print Layout. Then, go to the Format menu and click Drop Cap. In the Drop Cap dialog box, choose Dropped or in Margin option as you need. Then, specify the font, lines to drop and distance from text for the drop cap letter to meet your need. At last, click OK. Word will automatically apply the drop cap to the first letter of the paragraph. To remove the drop cap, go to Format menu. Click Drop Cap to go to the Drop Cap dialog box. Select None option. Part 3. Create a drop cap in Google Docs. Click on the beginning of the paragraph where you want to add a drop cap. Then, click Insert. Drawing. New. In the Drawing window, click Actions, Word Art. In the text box, enter the letter that you want to use for the drop cap. And then press Enter key. Once your letter is displayed in the drawing window, you can customize the text extensively using the toolbar at the top. After formatting the letter, click Save and Close button. Now, you can see the drop cap at the beginning of your Google Docs document. Then, click to select the drop cap letter. Click Wrap Text in the toolbar menu. You'll see the surrounding text adjust to wrap around your drop cap. To resize your drop cap, simply select the letter and drag from one of the corners to adjust its size. At last, delete the initial letter of the paragraph after creating a drop cap to prevent duplication. Thanks for watching.